Hello and hi! Today we're going to present about our project entitled Setting Up a Virtual Client Server Network Environment. Our group consists of 3 members, which are Amiru Amar, Pet Tinting, and me, Yeti. In this video, it consists of 2 parts. For part 1 is configuring network setting using the internal network option in VirtualBox to generate and set up a private virtual network.
Now we are proceed to the task one, that is configuring network setting. In this part, we will choose server and click setting, choose the network, and in adapter one, we will use the NAT, and for the adapter 2, we need to enable the network adapter and choose the internal network, and at advanced part, we must allow VMS and click OK. For the client part, we only need to use one adapter only. So click setting and choose network. For the adapter one, we choose the internal network, and at the advanced part, we choose the allow VMS and click OK. And that's all for the task one.
For part 2, connecting using static IP address between server and client. There are 2 ways to assign IP address, which is static and dynamic. Static. We refer back from static definition. Static means it stay in one place, it doesn't move anywhere. So when a device is assigned a static IP address, the address does not change. Whereas dynamic, what does dynamic means? Dynamic means constantly changing. Most devices use dynamic IP addresses, which are assigned by the network when they connect and change over time.
Next, we will proceed to the task 2, that is configuring IP address. First, we need to open the client and we search for the terminal, and in the terminal, we type this command, that is sudo nano /etc /network /interface to modify the file, and we type the password. We already insert this command in our terminal of the client. So after we type this command, we need to press Ctrl X to save this command. And after we insert the command, we need to refresh the setting by typing a command or just restart the VirtualBox. So I choose to type a command, that is sudo ip link set dev enp0s3 down, and sudo ip link set dev enp0s3 up. And the last command is sudo systemctl restart networking. And after we type these 3 commands, we want to check the IP it is successfully configured or not. So we can use this command, that is IP address show, and it will show us the command is the IP is successfully be configured. Next, we will proceed to the server. We first search for the terminal, and we also type this command, that is sudo nano /etc /network /interface to modify file, and we type for the password, and we already insert this command in the terminal of the server. So we need to press Ctrl X to save the command and modify the command. And after we type this command, we need to reboot the system, or just by typing the command, or just restart the server. So I choose to use a command. So the command is sudo ip sudo ip link set dev enp0 s3 down, sudo ip link set dev enp0 s3 0xx, sorry, down, and sudo ip link set dev enp0 s3 up, and sudo ip link set dev enp0 sx up. And for the last sudo is command is sudo systemctl restart networking. After we type all the command, we need to check the IP is successfully be configured or not by type this command, that is IP address show. So by see this, we already know that our IP is successfully be configured, and we can check the network is successfully can be used or not by using an app in our Debian. For example, we use the Firefox, and we use the YouTube to see that our Debian is successfully connected with the network or not. We will see that the network is Firefox is successfully, and we will see that we can see the YouTube by using the Firefox. Next, we will proceed to the task 3, that is testing the connectivity between server and client. In this task, we need to open the client, and we type this command, that is ping 192.168.1.1254, and we will see the output like this. So if we want to stop it, we can press Ctrl C, and if we see the output like this, that means our server and the client is been connected successfully.